Hey Lucas, it's such a beautiful day today. Do you like doing outdoor activities?
Hey Rachel, yes, I love spending time outside. When the weather is nice, I try to go out as much as I can.
Me too. What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I think my favorite is hiking. I enjoy walking in nature, especially in the mountains or forest trails.
Oh, I love hiking too. I usually go on weekends with my friends. We bring snacks and take pictures along the way.
That sounds fun. Do you ever go camping?
Yes, I went camping last summer at a national park. We stayed in tents, made a fire, and watched the stars at night.
That's awesome. I've only gone camping once, but I really liked it. I want to do it again soon.
You should. What else do you enjoy doing outdoors?
I also like cycling. I ride my bike in the park or sometimes around the city. It's a good way to exercise and relax.
Nice. I'm not very good at biking, but I love jogging early in the morning. It helps me start the day with energy.
That's great. I sometimes jog too, especially when I don't have time to go to the gym.
Do you play any outdoor sports?
Yeah, I play soccer with my coworkers every Sunday. We're not professionals, but it's a lot of fun.
Cool. I play volleyball at the beach when I visit my cousins. It's great exercise, and we always laugh a lot.
Beach volleyball sounds awesome. I wish I lived closer to the beach.
Yeah, I don't go often, but when I do, I also like to swim and just relax in the sun.
So nice. I enjoy going to lakes or rivers for a quick swim in the summer.
Do you ever go fishing?
A few times with my uncle when I was younger. It was fun, but you need a lot of patience.
That's true. I prefer more active things like hiking, walking my dog, or even gardening in the backyard.
Oh, gardening. I never tried it, but it sounds relaxing. Maybe I should start with some small plants.
You should. It's a great outdoor hobby. Plus, it's nice to see something grow.
Yeah, I think I'll try it this spring. So, what's your favorite time of year to do outdoor activities?
Definitely spring and fall. The weather is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. You?
Same here. Summer is nice too, but sometimes it's just too hot.
True. Well, we should plan a hike together sometime soon.
I'd love that. Let's pick a weekend and go explore a new trail.
Deal. I'll bring the snacks.
And I'll bring the water and map. Let's do it.